Hello, my name is Samara, and I just got a whole bunch of peppers from Jason Capsaicin of HellFire Farms. There's Lily eating in the background there. But today I am going to be eating one of the purple Gator Jigsaws that he sent me. This is the most beautiful coloring. Do you see that? Lily's apparently pretty hungry, so isn't that gorgeous? It's like this orangish, reddish, purplish type thing. I really like it. So I'm gonna cut it open and see what it looks like on the insides. See if I can get the stinger. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, I can smell that immediately. That is pungent. Wow. Cool. Whoa. That placenta is super thick. That's like solid on one side. Maybe I just didn't cut it as nicely as I should have, but like this is pretty even, right? Isn't that just beautiful? Well, you know what that means. That means I'm gonna eat it. So, purple gator jigsaw grown by Jason Capsaicin from HellFire Farms. Ah. Oh. Whoa. That's pretty hot right away, huh, Jason? The flavor? If I'm getting right, it's kind of fruity. It's not super sweet, though. It's like a very neutral, not quite bitter, but a very neutral sweetness. Sorry, hiccups. It's been a couple days since I've eaten a whole pod. Well, consistently. I've eaten them like every other day for the past week, but it's a big change from when I was eating like 2 per day. So my tolerance is a little bit low. But I can tell that's definitely a tongue burn. A little bit on the roof of my mouth. It's like all over my tongue. especially at the tip and down the middle. What you woofing at? Wow, that was really clean though. Flavor, I almost got a citrusy taste to it, but like right before it developed into citrus, I don't know what happened. It just disappeared. It's still delicious. I'm getting that aroma through my nasal passages. I'm getting that fruitiness. Definitely that chinense flavor. Yeah, the burn, it's kind of in my throat a little bit. I'd say for where my tolerance is at right now, it's already peaked. I can tell. It hit maybe a 6 out of 10 on my scale. So yeah, it was really tasty though. I really like that flavor. It wasn't like super overwhelming with the flavor. It didn't have too many notes to it. It was just kind of, I don't know, it seemed very cohesive, and it just sort of rolled along with what it was doing, you know, like it just evolved as it went, which was really nice. It was really crisp. It's crisp like an apple. That's crazy. I would eat supermarket peppers, and once I switched over to getting super hots from like growers, like directly from growers, whoo, forget about it. Way different, way crispier, way more flavorful. Wow. Yeah, that burn, it's kind of got legs a little bit. It's been lingering. It's died down in most of the spots in my mouth, but it kind of is getting me on the roof of the mouth, on the sides near like where the gums and my molars would meet on the top, and then on the tip of my tongue. Just a little bit in the back of the throat, but not much. This was actually the first Gator Jigsaw of any variety that was ripe that I've had. I've had an underripe Gator Jigsaw. Tasted like grass. Didn't taste bad, but it just wasn't hot. So I've been excited to try one. Thank you for sending it over, Jason. I will link his stuff in the description below if you want to order from him or follow him on Instagram, which is where you will also find my Instagram. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. I am going to just continue the rest of whatever this lingering burn is. It's really nice. It's not stingy even. It's like very a dull burn, which I kind of like. Ooh, got some chills. Yeah. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you on the... I was about to say on the flip side, but I'm not that type of bitch.